सर्वेभ्यः पुनः स्वागतम्। वयम् इदानीं सप्तमकक्षायाः रुचिरा पाठ्यपुस्तके सदाचारः इति पाठस्य अभ्यासं कुर्वन्तः स्मः। इदानीम् अग्रिम उदाहरणं पश्यामः। रेखाङ्कितानि पदानि आधृत्य प्रश्ननिर्माणं कुरुता। रेखाङ्कितानि पदानि आधृत्य प्रश्ननिर्माणं कुरुता. It means depending upon the underlined words, please frame questions. So as I told you already, to frame the question you must have the previous knowledge of that word. First of all, you should be in a position to find whether this word belongs to Pullinga, Strilinga or Napumsakalinga. And if you know the linga of this word, then again you should be in a position to find out in which vibhakti it is there. As we know, there are 7 vibhaktis are there. You must be in a position to find out it is in which vibhakti. And next, you should be in a position to know whether it belongs to Ekavachana, Dvivachana and Bahuvachana. As you are in the 7th class, your knowledge is very little and you need to work a little hard, and you will understand this as the days progress. First of all, I will tell you with examples and with reasons why we are framing the questions like this. First of all, let me read all these sentences. Prathamam vakyam mrityuh na pratikshate. Mrityuh na pratikshate. Kha kalaham kritva naraha dukhi bhavati. Ga pitaram karmana seveta. Gha vyavahare mruduta shreyasi. Nya सर्वदा व्यवहारे ऋजुता विधेया. मृत्युः न प्रतीक्षते. Here मृत्युः is there. मृत्युः is there. उकारंत पुल्लिंगः. As you know, रामः अथवा बालकः is अकारंतः पुल्लिंगः. हरिः is इकारंत पुल्लिंगः. गुरुः is Ukaranta Pullingaha. Like this, Mrityuhu is Ukaranta Pullingaha. Ukaranta Pullingaha Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Just like, if you want to know correctly, just like Balakaha na pratikshate is there, what will you make? Same. Kaha na pratikshate, because Balakaha is there. So like this, Mrityuhu na pratikshate. Adhyapakaha pathayati. Then you will make kaha pathayati. Guruhu pathayati. Then also you should make kaha pathayati. Like that. Mrityuhu na pratikshate. You must frame the question as kaha na pratikshate. Is it clear? Next. Kalaham kritva naraha dukhi bhavati. Kalaham. Kalahaha, kalahau, kalahaha, kalaham. Dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam. Pullinge asti. Tasmat kahakauke kam. Kam kritva naraha dukhi bhavati. Kam kritva naraha dukhi bhavati. Kam. Question is next. Pitaram karmana seveta. Pitru shabdaha. Pita, pitarau, pitaraha, pitaram. Dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam. Ataha pitaram karmana seveta. Kam karmana seveta. Next. Vyavahare mruduta shreyasi. Mruduta lata. इतिवत् लता लते लताः इतिवत्र काके काः. व्यवहारे मृदुता श्रेयसी. व्यवहारे का श्रेयसी. का इति. सर्वदा व्यवहारे रुजुता विधेया. Now again, just like mruduta, don't take here, there also a is there, sarvada a is there. No, sarvada is the word which is related to the time. Whatever is related to the time, we always say kada. If it is related to the number, it is kati. Is it? Then sarvada means kada vyavahare रुजुता विधेया. इदानीम् उत्तराणि पश्यामः. प्लीज नोट डाउन द क्वेश्चन्स. हाउ टू फ्रेम द क्वेश्चन्स. कः न प्रतीक्षते, किं कृत्वा नरः दुःखी भवति, कं कर्मणा सेवेत, व्यवहारे का श्रेयसी, कदा व्यवहारे रुजुता विधेया. Shall we move to the next exercise? Okay, I'll give you some time. Please note down the answers. कः न प्रतीक्षते, किं कृत्वा नरः दुःखी भवति, कं कर्मणा सेवेत, व्यवहारे का श्रेयसी, कदा व्यवहारे रुजुता विधेया. कदा व्यवहारे रुजुता विधेया इति. इदानीम् अनन्तराभ्यासं पश्यामः. प्रश्नमध्ये त्रीणि क्रियापदानि सन्ति. तानि प्रयुज्य सार्थकवाक्यानि रचयत. सार्थवाक्यानि meaningful sentences. There are three things are given: bruyat, syat and seveta. Here is a print mistake. Seveta. Halanta is not there in the seveta. So, bruyat means speak. Syat, it may happen, हो सकता है. सेवेता, सर्व, आश्रयितव्यः इत्यर्थः. So, understood? ब्रूयात means speak. Please speak something. स्यात, it may happen. Next, seveta, serve. So, like this, these are all the sentences. Out of these three, you should take one verb and make it meaningful one. For example, anrutam priyam cha na bruyat. Anrutam priyam cha na bruyat is the correct one. If you put syat, seveta, that becomes wrong. Anrutam, lie. Priyam, what is liked. Cha na bruyat. You should not speak the lie which makes somebody happy. Almost all the lies make man happy. So, lie makes man happy, so that you should not keep on lying in front of others. Vyavahare sarvada audaryam syat. There may be in the business, always you should be generous. Shreshtham janam karmana seveta. Shrestha janam karmana seveta. Vyavahare kadachana kautilyam nasyat. You should not do the crookedness in your business. Anrutam priyancha na bruyat. Vyavahare sarvada audaryam syat. Shrestha janam karmana seveta. Vyavahare sarvada kautilyam na syat. Shall we see the remaining sentences? Idanim तदनन्तरवाक्यानि पश्यामः. सत्यम् अप्रियञ्च न ब्रूयात्. Satyam, print mistake is there. Satyam apriyancha na bruyat. Vacha gurum seveta. Vacha gurum seveta. Satyam priyancha bruyat. Satyam priyancha bruyat. Manasa mataram pitaranch seveta. Manasa mataram pitarancha seveta. Once again, satyam apriyancha na bruyat. Vacha gurum seveta. Satyam priyancha bruyat. Manasa mataram pitarancha seveta. Shall we move to the next exercise? Anantara abhyasaha evam asti. Manjushatah avyayapadaani chitva riktasthanani purayata. Below are the given sentences, words. With the help of these words, fill in the blanks. So first of all, you need to know the words very well before you fill the blanks. Tatha, vaisa, jaise karni vaisi barni, vaisa. Tatha means like that. Na, no, don't. Kadachana, never. Sada, always. Cha, and. Api, also. Api, also. Once again I will tell you. Tatha, vaisa, like that. Na, no, don't. Kadachana, never. Sada, always. Cha, and. Api, also. Idanim vakyani pashyamaha. Bhaktaha dash Ishwaram smarati. A good devotee remembers God. Dash. What? Always, of course. He always remembers the God. That's why Sada. Asatyam dash vaktavyam. Lie. Dash spoken. Lie should not be. Don't speak lie. Is it? That's why don't speak lie. Don't say that asatyam sada vaktavyam. Sentence is correct, but the context is not correct. Asatyam sada vaktavyam means always speak lie. No, never speak. Never speak lie. Priyam dash satyam vadet. Priyam tatha satyam vadet. Lata medha dash vidyalayam gacchataha. Lata and medha. And medha. And is the answer cha. Api means kya? Are you? Are you? We use are. Is it a helping verb? Are, no? Like that. Are you happy? Like that. Api kushali bhavan. Are you fine? Api kushali bhavan. Are you fine? Mahatma Gandhi kadachana ahimsam na atyajat. Mahatma Gandhi never ahimsam. Ahimsam means what? Ahimsa means non-violence. Mahatma Gandhi never lived non-violence. That means always he followed non-violence, never encouraged the violence. So let us encourage non-violence. Let us live peaceful. Bhavatu shubhadinam, bhavatu anudinam. Dhanyavadah. स्वागतम शुभ स्वागतम सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः संस्कृतं स्वागतम. अद्य वयं रुचिरा पाठ्यपुस्तके सप्तमकक्षायाः सदाचारः इति पाठं पठितवन्तः। सदाचारपाठे 6 श्लोकाः अस्माभिः अधीताः। यथा यस्मिन् देशे य आचारः पारम्पर्यक्रमागतः वर्णानां सान्तरालानां स सदाचार उच्यते। प्रातःकाले त्यजेच्छय्याम् ईश्वरं प्रथमं स्मरेत् नित्यकर्माणि कृत्वा च कुर्यादध्ययनं ततः। सत्यं ब्रूयात् प्रियं ब्रूयात् न ब्रूयात् सत्यमप्रियं प्रियञ्च नानृतं ब्रूयात् एष धर्मः सनातनः। सर्वदा व्यवहारे स्यात् औदार्यं सत्यता तथा ऋजुता मृदुता चापि कौटिल्यं न कदाचन। श्रेष्ठं जनं गुरुञ्चापि मातरं पितरं तथा मनसा कर्मणा वाचा सेवेत सततं सदा। मित्रेण कलहं कृत्वा न कदापि सुखी जनः इति ज्ञात्वा प्रयासेन तदेव परिवर्जयेत्। भवन्तः सर्वे छात्राः सम्यक् कण्ठस्थीकृतवन्तः इति अहं भावयामि। एवं सति इदानीं वयम् एतस्य सदाचारपाठस्य अभ्यासं सम्पादयामः। My dear students, I hope all of you understood all these 6 shlokas of Sadachara lesson, and I am very sure that all of you might have by hearted by now. These 6 shlokas must be by hearted. Now, in today's exercise, we will start the exercises of this lesson. The first exercise comes like this. उपयुक्त कथनानां समक्षम आम अनुपयुक्त कथनानां समक्षम न इति लिखता. Based on the shlokas that we have studied in the Sadachara lesson, here are 5 statements. So, if the statements are true, then you should write am. If the statements are not true, then you should write na. Am means yes, na means no. First of all, let us read all these 5 statements. उपयुक्त कथनानां समक्षम आम अनुपयुक्त कथनानां समक्षम न इति लिखता. प्रातः काले ईश्वरं स्मरेत् इति प्रथमं वाक्यम्. ख अनृतं ब्रूयात्. अनृतं ब्रूयात् is the second statement. द्वितीयं वाक्यम्. ग मनसा श्रेष्ठजनं सेवेता इति तृतीयं वाक्यम्. घ मित्रेण कलहं कृत्वा जनः सुखी भवति इति चतुर्थं वाक्यम्. ञ श्वः कार्यम् अद्य कुर्वीता इति पंचमं वाक्यम्. First of all, to make you understand better, I will tell you the meanings of these shlokas. Ka pratah kale Ishwaram smaret. Early in the morning you should pray the God. Is it true or false? You can state. Second one, Anrutam bruyat. One must say lie. Third one, Manasa Shrestha Janam Seveta. Always serve the great people with your heart. Gha Mitrena Kalaham Krutva Janaha Sukhi Bhavati. After fighting with the friend, man will be happy. Nya Panchamam Vakyam. Shwaha Karyam Adya Kurvita. Tomorrow's work we should do today. Is it? Let us see the answers. pratah-kale Ishwaram smaret. In the morning we should pray God. Yes, yes, we have to pray the God in the morning. Anrutam bruyat. We must say lie? No. Na. Uttaram? Na. Manasa shreshtham janam sevetam. You should serve the great people with heart. Is it not? Shreshtham janam gurunchapi mataram pitaram tata manasa karmana vacha seveta satatam sada. Correct. Mitrena kalaham kritva janaha sukhi bhavati. No. Fighting with your friend, you will not be happy. No. Shvaha karyam adya kurvita. Shvaha karyam adya kurvita. Tomorrow's work we should do today. Yes, sometimes day after tomorrow's work also we should do today, because tomorrow is a Sunday. So it is absolutely correct. So understood? Panchavakyani. Prathamam am, dvitiyam na, trutiyam am, chaturtham na, punaha am. Na, iti uttarani bhavanti. Agre punaha pashyamah. Idanim ekapadena uttarata. Now these are all the questions which should be answered with one word. Ekapadena eva uttarata. You should not write it in full sentence. You should write one word answer for these questions. Ekapadena, ekenaiva padena uttaram deyam. Prathamam prashnan pathami. Kahana pratikshate. Kahana pratikshate. Satyata kada vyavahare syat. Kim bruyat. Kena saha kalaham krutva naraha sukhi na bhavet. Kaha maharipuhu asmakam sharire tishtati. Atra kachit samasya. What happened here? The problem is that the textbook is changed. Some shlokas of the previous textbook, even though it is asked in the same. But don't worry about what you don't know. Please give the answers for what you know. Kahana pratikshate. Who will not wait? Next. Satyata kada vyavahare syat. When you should be truthful in your job. Third one. Kim bruyat. What should you say? Fourth question. Kena saha kalaham krutva naraha sukhi na bhavet. By fighting with whom you will not be happy. Kaha maharipuhu asmakam sharire tishtati. Who is that great enemy who stays in our body? So this is the little different questions, I hope, because alasyam hi manushyanam sharirasto mahan ripuhu nastyudhyama samo bandhuhu kritvayam navasidati is the shloka. Atra uttarani pashyamah. Don't worry, for every question I am giving you the answers. Please note down this answer. Kahana pratikshate. Let us see the answers here. Kahana pratikshate. Uttarani evam santi. Kahana pratikshate. Mrityuhu na pratikshate. The death will not wait. Shvaha karyam adya kurvita purvanhe chaparanhikam nahi pratikshate mrityuhu krutamasya navakrutam is the shloka. That means you have to do early in the morning what you have to do in the afternoon. What you have to do tomorrow, you have to do it today, because the death is not going to end. Wait for you, whether we have finished or not. So like that. So because the end will not wait. Kal kare so aaj kare so ab. That's what you learn in Hindi. The proverb is clearly told in this shloka. Kahana pratikshate mrityuhu. Satyata kada vyavahare syat. Satyata kada vyavahare syat. Sarvada vyavahare syat. Audaryam satyata tatha. Rijuta mruduta chapi. Kautilyam na kadachana. In that shloka you will get the answer. Sarvada. You should be always truthful. Not that 5 minutes you will be truthful to your job and rest you forget. No. You should be truthful always. Kim bruyat. What should you say? Satyam bruyat. Priyam bruyat. Na bruyat satyam priyam. Priyancha nanrutam bruyat. Esha dharma sanatanaha. In that shloka you will get, what should you say? You should say Satyam and Priyam. You should say truth at the same time. It should be liked by the person who is listening it. Gha. Kena saha kalaham krutva naraha sukhi na bhavet. Mitrena. Kena mitrena saha. Mitrena kalaham krutva na kadapi sukhi janaha iti gnatva prayasena tadeva parivarjayet. Kena iti tritiya vibhakti atra mitrena iti tritiya vibhakti bhavati. Kaha maharipuhu asmakam sharire tishthati. Who is that great enemy who is staying in our body? That is alasyam. Alasyam hi manushyanam sharirastho mahan ripuhu nastyudyama samo bandhuhu krutvayam navasidhati. This is the shloka. So like this is the one word answers. Don't worry, note down the questions and answers too. We will go little slow because you have to write perfectly. Whatever you don't know, that's why don't worry, the answers are given. Note down the questions and answers thoroughly. Shall we move to next exercise? Hope you are all waiting well. Hope you have completed. We will see the next exercise in the next class. Please note down thoroughly. Dhanyavadaha. Bhavatu shubhadinam. Bhavatu anudinam. Agrima kakshayam anantara abhyasam patamaha. Dhanyavadaha.